Hello, hello! Join me for a quick unboxing of an order from Baum-Kuchen. Okay, y'all, I had actually already started doing this unboxing video, and out of the blue, somehow my camera reformatted my SD card. Don't have any idea how that happened because I literally was just filming and touched nothing. So that is very strange. Anyway, I already took the little piece off here, and there was also this little sticker with the washi tape that I took off, and it came with this cute little washi strip. And this is like a little thank you from them, and it says thank you from the BK team. That is super cute, and it is like washi material, so it's really thin. Okay, let's try this again. We'll start opening it. This is exactly the spot that my camera was like, sorry, your card's been reformatted. So strange. Anywho, it's been a little while since I have purchased from them, but I was saying earlier in the video that deleted, Baum-Kuchen sells a lot of Superior Labor Goods, and I really love the Superior Labor Goods products. They are amongst some of my favorite as far as stationery and planner stuff. I saw this come up and I had to have it. All right. This is their very large canvas tote, and it is very large, as you can see. I'm just trying to open it up. Now, this is one that actually has pockets on the inside, and this is just their little Superior Labor tag. This is the painted one. It is not the one with the leather bottoms. I do really enjoy the ones with the leather bottoms, but they are significantly more money, and this will do the job that I need. So I decided to just go ahead and get this tone instead. It's sort of, well, I guess it's coming off okay. When I'm looking at it, it almost looks like the same color, but if I hold it just right, you can see that it's sort of like a taupe up here and then a creamy white color down on the bottom. I was curious whether or not this was going to be a super white bottom or if it was going to be more creamy, and this is definitely more creamy, which is what I wanted. It also has the Superior Labor Journey tag, if you guys can see that. I'm going to get my camera to zoom on it. I might not, because my camera just doesn't want to zoom anymore on my lens. But there we go. You can kind of see it right there, and it says BK for Baum-Kuchen. The zipper is really super nice. It is a universal. That's really pretty. And then it has this really pretty, the Superior Labor Leathers & Co. Made in Japan tag on the side. But really large, which I love. I plan on keeping this on top of my Hobby Lobby drawers that I have with different, things that I'm organizing into it, and it will just, sit and stay on, upright on the top of those drawer sets. I currently have a Superior Labor tote on there, but I am going to move that because it's kind of a pain. I like to use the drawers to be able to store stuff on top, but when the bag is there and I need to grab the bag, I have to move everything, and I'm just going to put the bag, have these like 80-pound magnets on my lockers, and I keep all of my currently using bags in it, and I will just hang it off of that and then put this on the drawers instead. I plan on trying to organize a few more of my stamping stencil type things. I'm just kind of trying to flatten it out a little bit more in here. This way I get an idea, and like this is so big. I might end up doing a majority of my smaller stencils, I think, in here, and then maybe some of my like acrylic block stamps in here instead, and then my other bags that I showed from Jimmy K for using those for my stamps. I think I'm gonna it'll just make more room in there for me because they're pretty full. These are the large Jimmy K, not Kimmy K. I don't know what I was thinking. Is this the large or the medium? Hold that thought. I think this is the medium. Yep. And then this is the large, and this will be just a bunny trail quick comparison. You can see with this big bag, you see how thick this is. I have so much stuff in there, so I really needed to thin it out a little bit. But height-wise, they're similar, but the Superior Labor is easily 4 inches wider. And the base is probably similar if I were to, you know, really be able to open this. The Jimmy K might be like a smidge bigger, but really you could probably, you know, you probably could make this pretty wide, but I think it's listed as like a 2-inch base or something. Engineer pouch is what it's called, but super cute. Love the contrast zipper on the top. That's a nice little touch, and it is a pretty smooth zipper in comparing. I mean, the YKK is a little smoother, but this is more of like a plastic type zipper, and this is metal, so they're going to be different anyway. Not that this was meant to be a comparison video. I just was kind of noting that the metal zippers tend to be not quite as smooth as the plastic type ones. So there you go. It's pretty big. And let's just, for the sake of a video, let's take everything that's out of here and we will put it in there. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, we'll start with these honkin' huge Ranger archival ink pads. And this is literally just for the sake of the video. This is not what I'm going to be keeping in here. Oh, there is the black one. And then, let's see, these are Allie Brown stamps and Jane Davenport stamps. So we will, yeah, put them there. And then this is a stamp that I made. Put that there. So it all fits in here as well. There you go. So that's quite a bit of stuff. They really do fit a lot. But like I said, that's not the plan of what I'm going to have in there. But that's okay. I just wanted to show you guys how much you could fit. Now I am kind of wondering about this pocket. It's pretty deep. Let's see what I have that we can feed in there. Let's put because you could use this for like a little journal tote pouch. Let's put a micro printer in there and see if it fits. Why not? I have the Mini 2 Retro by Kodak, and look at that. Fits quite nicely, really. Let's try the other side. I don't know if it'll fit in the other side. Nope, and I'm not going to push it. But it definitely fits in the bigger pocket, as you can see right there. And then, you know, you can fit some of your journaling paraphernalia in there. Let's look for this is always like the age-old question. Will a Tombow fit? Clearly it does, but will it fit height-wise? Probably not. Let's see. Nope. It's too tall, but I mean, like, what can you fit that it will really fit height-wise? But there you go. I have a couple different ideas of things that you could put in the pockets. And let's see, planners. What do I have for a little one? Let's look at some planners while I'm here. Oh, my desk is becoming a massive mess quickly as I pull all this stuff out. Okay, this is a pocket, I think. Will a pocket TN fit? I don't think so. No. But, well, maybe. No, it won't fit. I've tried. It's a little too big, but if you had, like I have a little notebook that fits in there. Checkbook fits in there nicely, actually. Oh yeah. Random. Calculator fits. Okay, well now you guys have an idea of a few things anyway that fit. Let's look at B6 covers. That's one thing I was kind of curious. This is the current cover that I am using. It is a Gilio Cloud. And oh yeah, B6 fits in there. Now I want to know if an A5 fits. I have one right here. Okay. Will an A5? Okay, it fits. You just have to kind of put it in sideways like this. But yeah, that fits, and there's plenty of room. You could put some sticker packs. You could put a sticker book. If you're not getting it on the clasp. And then you can put your little printer and whoop-de-doo. I gotta get the there. So it fits a lot of stuff. It definitely is versatile that way. You could really just use it as an on-the-go pouch, which I may use that every now and again. You can use it just to store stuff on your desk. You can use it to haul around the house because there's plenty of room and there's those couple of pockets. So I think it is quite versatile. I like it. All right, well, I am gonna go clean my messy desk. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below, like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye.